So this is Christmas 2023, and if you've had a hard year, I hope this next year's happy. And so this is Christmas, don't let the world get you down. The good days are near, friend, the world wants you around. A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear. And so this is Christmas, wash those worries away, 'cause I promise you, dear one, it's all gonna be okay. And so happy Christmas, I am so proud of you. And look how you're standing after all you've been through. So that